The YouTube channel 5 Minute Crafts. Have you ever wondered what makes those videos so successful? Well, in today's video, I'm going to break it down and share with you how to make videos like 5 Minute Crafts, and we'll do that right now. Hey video creators, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian White and this is VideoZeus. On this channel, we make videos about making videos, and we're on a mission to help you create videos that get results. So if that sounds like you, then please consider clicking that subscribe button now. The 5 Minute Craft video formula. We're gonna break it down right now. The whole thing really reminds me of that movie called The Prestige, where every magic trick has 3 acts: the pledge, the turn, and the prestige. And if you haven't seen that movie, you're definitely gonna wanna check it out. It's all about magicians and how they fool the audience with smoke and mirrors to do their tricks. And I believe that's really what 5 Minute Crafts is all about. It's smoke and mirrors. So similar to that movie, The Prestige, where you have the 3 acts, the pledge, the turn, and the prestige, I think 5 Minute Crafts can be broken down into 3 hacks: the click, the shot, and the edit. So let me break it down for you right now so you can see exactly what they're doing and how you can use what they're doing to benefit your videos. The first part is the click. If you've ever seen 5 Minute Crafts videos in search results, you'll quickly notice one thing: the thumbnail. The thumbnail is just ridiculous. It's well done, it's very colorful, and it shows you exactly what is taking place in the video, perhaps the most ridiculous part of the video, to make you think that, is that real? Could that actually happen? I have to see this take place. So right there, they have won you over, because you can't not go on with your life seeing that thumbnail and seeing that title. You just got to watch. And that's what we call winning the click. You do this by enticing your audience with a catchy thumbnail. Think about your own behavior here on YouTube. You're scrolling down search results, looking at videos. Most likely what catches your eye the first time is the images, the thumbnails, to see how it looks, if it looks credible, if it's colorful, if it stands out. All those things help you then read to the right, which is the title, and then possibly clicking into the video. And without a good thumbnail, well, your video will lack. And so that's why it's always important that you have custom thumbnails enabled on your YouTube account. And furthermore, that you're taking the time to really explore how to design thumbnails that win the click. Just looking at their thumbnails, it makes you second guess reality. And it really just makes you want to watch. And then when you do watch, you're just like, what in the world is this stuff? Again, the 5 Minute Crafts Hacks video channels are really intended for entertainment purposes. Some of the hacks may or may not improve your life. Some of them may make it more difficult. But the fact that that thumbnail and your title is so catchy, you just feel good about clicking into the video. The next part of breaking down the 5 Minute Crafts formula is the shot. Being in the production industry myself, I can quickly pick up on exactly what they're doing. You'll notice that 99% of the time, every shot they have in their videos is on a tripod. It's a static shot, it's not shaky, it's not moving around, it's easy and appeasing to the eye. In addition to the shot itself, the lighting, the colors, the shot composition, everything is well thought out. It gives you exactly what you need to see in the shot, whether it's a top-down shot showing something happening on a table. It also shows extreme close-ups to help you as the viewer understand exactly what's taking place should you want to go ahead and try this on your own at home. So how can this help you? Think about using tripods on your shots. Think about the viewer. If you're holding a camera with your hand and it's very shaky, and that whole shaky look can be used to your advantage if it's done right. But if you're just shaky for no reason, it's very distracting to watch. So what I would recommend, if you're doing a video like I am today, where you're talking to the camera, or perhaps you're interviewing someone on camera, put that thing on a tripod. The same goes if you're shooting something outside or from a far distance away. It's going to be very hard to keep that shot static in your hand. So put it on a tripod, zoom in, focus it, whatever you have to do, just keep it nice and steady. And what you'll realize is that you can actually get pretty creative on a tripod. Don't think just because you're using tripods, you cannot get creative. But regardless of how you shoot the video, the name of the game is sequencing. They're sequencing their shots. They have a wide shot, a medium shot, and a close-up in a very detailed variety. Again, whether it's a top-down shot or extreme close-up or a medium shot of the person with the thing after they build it, it's all very sequentially put together, which makes it easy for the viewer to follow and easy to edit. And that brings us to the third part, the edit. Now, breaking down the format of the actual video that you're watching and how it's edited is actually pretty easy once you really study it. Aside from their YouTube shorts, which are vertical format, all of their uploads are done so in a square format, a 1x1 or an 800 pixel by 800 pixel square block. And it's funny because you think about YouTube, you think about widescreen, horizontal video, 16:9. And don't get me wrong, this channel has been around for 4 years. And up until 1 year ago, they finally switched over to the 16:9 format. But there's something to be said about that square format. And quite frankly, it makes perfect sense because here's the thing. When you're making videos, you want to repurpose those videos for multiple platforms. And if you're having to resize videos for every different platform, it's just a lot of work and it's a lot of headache. If you're only sticking with this one square format, well, that square format really lends itself to Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, all those things that you could be posting these videos to. Certainly they're getting away with it and they're doing it very well. Now, aside from the actual square video that they have, one thing you also can pick up on is a lot of the activities taking place inside their videos are sped up. They use fast motion to get to the point quicker. One, to show you how to do it in a very concise manner, and two, to help them get through multiple hacks without making a 1 hour long video. They speed it up, which also adds a level of aesthetic to it. It almost makes it look unreal, which then lends itself to the entire idea of making these videos because, for a sense, they are unreal. Again, they're made for entertainment purposes. So the sped up motion helps lend itself back to the original idea for the whole video itself. But overall, fast motion and square format seems to be a winning combination and something that you and I can take away from this as well. We don't always have to conform to what the platform suggests. We can do our own thing. We can be pioneers of sorts. So think about using square video throughout everything, because when you repurpose it on different platforms, you don't have to go back and remake a different video. And so every great 5-minute crafts videos consist of these three parts: the click, the shot, and the edit. And for your entertainment purposes, you can watch this video right here, where I try some 5-minute crafts that have to do with movie making and video making to see if they actually work and can improve your videos. What's inside, you will not believe. Once again, thanks for watching VideoZeus, helping you create videos that get results.